Hi, vacation rental owner or manager. If you'd like to decorate for free and get better reviews, just listen to this episode of Step Up Your STR. Hi, and welcome. I'm Kara Shimizu, and this podcast is all about decorating your STR for max revenue. And we also cover other high-level STR business strategy. In this episode, we're diving into the cozy, magical world of winter decorating. Winter decor can be warm, welcoming, and festive. And the best part is you don't need to spend a dime to make it happen. Today, I'm sharing 4 simple steps for free winter decorating that will transform your space into a winter wonderland, perfect for guests and for you to enjoy when you're there. An amazing benefit of decorating for the seasons, by the way, is that guests will love it. So you'll get better reviews. Okay, here we go. First up, let's talk about decorating strategy. Seasonal decorating can make a big impact by focusing on just a few key spots in your home. You only need a few. I actually recommend picking 3 high traffic areas, a few spots in your home, 3 of them, that people see really often. Let's call those your seasonal hotspots. So this could be the mantle, an entry table, a dining table centerpiece, your coffee table, your sideboard. Those are just a few examples, and just choose 3 spots. That's enough to create a wonderful winter vibe throughout your whole STR, and you won't feel like it's overdone. For example, if you chose your mantle as one of your seasonal hotspots, you can make it the festive centerpiece of the room. Imagine it with an evergreen garland that you kind of swag along and some twinkling lights, and it's immediately transformed. Or you might pick your entry table and you can create a really welcoming winter vibe there, maybe even with some large sprays of evergreen branches. And that'd be beautiful for anyone who walks in. There are just some really simple ways to bring seasonal warmth to your space. And you could even start right at the front door. What a great way to frame a guest's stay at your place. The next step is to shop your home. You might be surprised at how much holiday or winter decorating you already have. So start gathering items that have a festive feel. Look for anything in shades of red, green, and white. And also look for metallic items in gold and silver. These will naturally add a holiday sparkle and feeling, even if it's just a few pieces here and there. You can look for things like books and scarves, decorative blankets, decorative accessories. Also, gather things that can be easily changed out for every season, like vases, bowls, candlestick holders, picture frames, and trays. So you could, for example, fill a red bowl with pine cones. You could place shiny ornaments in a big vase, or even just scatter a few larger items that have a holiday feel throughout your selected seasonal hotspots. One more fun idea that's kind of off the track of decorating, but it definitely would make a difference to your guests. If you have a speaker system, consider playing really festive music for when guests arrive. And it's a really simple touch that creates a joyful and seasonal atmosphere at no extra cost to you. Just make sure that you leave some simple instructions on how to turn it off for when they want a different sound other than music. Okay, back to shopping your home. It can really bring new life to the items that you already own and create that festive ambiance that you want. And it won't take much effort, just a little time to walk around and gather your items. Next step is to bring in natural elements. This is free stuff from nature. Winter is full of beautiful free decorating. So here, think pine cones, evergreen and fir branches of all sizes, and just anything that adds a rustic or cozy feel. So you can gather pine cones. I think bigger is better. I think a large, beautiful, even one great big, huge, beautiful pine cone makes such a statement. Gather it from outside. Use those as accents on your coffee table, mantle, your dining table. You could take some smaller branches, form them into a circle, kind of like a wreath, and put that around the base of a flameless candle. That would be really beautiful to add texture and an earthy winter and very festive look. I feel like I'm saying festive over and over, but the holiday season is coming up, and if you're going to leave somewhat festive decor all into the January and even the February months, actually, I think that's wonderful because you're going to be using, some shine with the gold and silver, and that would really brighten up your space if you live in a cold winter climate. So I think that this type of decorating I'm talking about that is not holiday specific, but just festive overall, it can reach clear into all the winter months. All right. Now, for a really fun wintry feel, and this might feel like you're going back to grade school, but make some paper snowflakes. Just get regular printer paper, fold them. They're so easy to cut out of just white paper. You can tape them into windows or hang a few large ones to treat strategically around your mantle. And this will add a whimsical and handmade nostalgic touch. You could even have your children do it if you have some, or an assistant do it. And this simple craft really adds a wintry feel and special feel to any space. And it makes for a fun activity too, if you'd like to include other people. So using especially elements from nature, with that, you'll bring winter indoors in a way that's both beautiful and very budget friendly. Finally, let's talk about some finishing touches. Step back and take a look at your decorated seasonal hotspot. Do it one by one. Does it feel warm, inviting, interesting, and festive? One way to make it interesting that I didn't mention yet is to put in items of varying heights. Have a really tall vase with winter greens in it. Then have a smaller, maybe a picture frame with a winter scene, a beautiful winter scene that you can print off for free as a free printable online. And then maybe next to that, have a bowl of pine cones. And so you're making a tall, a medium, and then a shorter item. And that gives a lot of interest to how your seasonal hotspot can look. If you feel like something is missing, consider switching out a small thing for a big thing. Or if you have several large items, consider layering in a few smaller cozy items like a throw blanket or a fuzzy pillow. Even something as simple as placing a red or green blanket on the sofa can definitely add a hint of seasonal charm. All right, seasonal decorating is one of my favorite things. I think it makes such a difference to people who visit. It makes your STR really special, and it lets your guests know that you really care about them and their experience there. And it can be free to do, just like I've outlined. So to sum it up, number one, choose your seasonal hotspots. You only need 3 key areas in your space, and this will make a wonderful, big impact. Number 2, shop your home. Repurpose items you already own. Look for red, green, and metallic or sparkly decor. Number 3, use nature, free items from nature, and some creative touches like natural winter elements, fir and pinecone branches, and easy DIYs like paper snowflakes. And then finally, number 4 is to add any final touches. Bring in cozy details like blankets or pillows to round out and soften and complete the whole festive look. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can easily and certainly affordably create a cozy winter retreat. Thank you for tuning in. I hope these tips inspire you to embrace the season. Embrace every season of nature. Decorate your space with elements from that season. Remember, this doesn't have to be costly, and I encourage you to make it free. It's all about creativity, resourcefulness, making the most of what you have, and of course, snagging those items from nature. And the bonus, one thing I didn't mention, but the bonus with natural items is you don't have to store them. You can just recycle them back into nature, get some new ones next year. All right, if you're looking for a nice printable that lists all of this out one by one, I have it for you. Head over to my website. It's at vrdecor.co/free resources. That's VR as in vacation rental decor.co/free resources. And you can grab your free printable guide on how to decorate for every season for free. And it's packed and has all the tips and instructions that you need. All right. Thank you for joining in again. If you have any questions, also feel free to contact me through my website. It's vrdecor.co. And I look forward to talking again next time. Thank you for joining in on Step Up Your STR. Please take just 30 seconds to like, review, and subscribe. It's a simple thing that fuels our mission to empower more STR owners and managers for higher success. I look forward to talking again next time.